Alright, let's get started. This video covers the math buildup concept of division inverses. So, some facts to know. Division and multiplication are opposites like addition and subtraction, and one opposite operation must be used to reverse or find the inverse of the other operation. So, for example, if you want to reverse a division problem, you need to use multiplication. And if you want to reverse a multiplication problem, you use division. Also, multiplication and division inverses use the same set of numbers. So let's do an example. For example 2, we need to divide and then compute the associated multiplication fact that follows. So let's make sure we're using the mouse pointer as a pen. Okay, so for this problem we need to do 24 divided by 8. So if we do 24 divided by 8, we need to think about how many times 8 can go into 24. So 8 goes into 24, 8, 16, 24 for a total of 3 times. And we know this because 8 times 3 is 24 without a remainder. So 8 goes into 24 exactly 3 times. Therefore, we can fill in the blank here and put 3. Alright, so in line 2, we need to fill in the blank. So, since these are multiplication and division inverses, we know that all the numbers that we see in line 1, which is what I circled right here, should appear in line 2. So if we look at this when we're thinking, well, what number is missing? We know that 3 is missing, so then we put 3 times 8 is equal to 24. And if you check, you can do 3 times 8, you do 8, 16, 24, you realize that 3 times 8 is equal to 24, so then that would be your answer. Another way that we can check it is if we use the original problem and do 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. In order to get it to look like the second line here, we need to get 24 by itself. And in order to do that, we need to reverse this division of 8 so that we can move it out from the left-hand side. So if we do times 8 and times 8 to the other side, then we cancel this here and we get 24 is equal to 3 times 8, which is exactly what we see in line 2. Alright, I hope that helps.